In this video, we'll give you a small intuition regarding a 6-week long internship project. Before jumping into the problem statement, I would like to introduce you to my team. My name is Param Teria and the other 3 teammates are Nikhil Gaganwal, Namrata Shilekha and Shanu Tyagi. We are currently interning at leadingindia.ai. The entire project has been guided by Ms. Navya Singh. So now that being said, let us understand what is the project all about. The project allocated to us is hyperspectral image reconstruction from RGB images. So what is hyperspectral imaging? It is like the spectral imaging that collects and processes the information across the electromagnetic spectrum. It is a good way to work with material and define their properties and to obtain the study how light interacts with them. So basically we are trying to obtain the spectrum or reflected spectrum out of the each pixel. So now the question is, why do we need it? Why it is required? The goal of the hyperspectral imaging is to get the spectral out of the each pixel in the image in order to identify the object or its material. It is been defined that it is quite useful in many applications ranging from remote sensing to medical and agriculture. So why this way? Why not the physical sense way? It is quite simple. The hyperspectral imaging sensors and the reconstruction algorithm are quite complex. So as an alternative, we are trying to approach this solution. We are trying to approach a solution through which can we obtain the spectral image out of the RGB images. So now let us see what we have researched and what approach we have applied.
So let's start what we have done in our research and internship. So first one is the SR-ResNet model. In SR-ResNet model, we pass our input image to the conveyor and the output of conveyor to pass the res block. Each res blocks combination of res units, and the res units is combination of conveyor and activation functions. And after that, we use the attention model. Attention model is basically the technique to focus on the subject part of the image, first one, and after that to focus on the background of the image. The main work is the attention model is to extract the feature from the image, so we can easily optimize our model with the help of attention model. And after that, the another one technique is the advanced CNN based dense model. As per its name, it is a densely connected architecture in which our aim is to take the feature from the previous layer to pass to the last layer. So by concatenations of features from previous layer, we get our final output. And also it is the model which is winner of the entire 2018 challenge, and it provides a better result other than models. And so now let's move on the
talk about the preferred model. You can see the visual of the model on the right hand side. So in the first phase of the model, we are doing downsampling on the images so that we can extract the information, or we can say what information about it. To do this, we are using CNND blocks which comprise of the network of convolution layers, and after each CNND block, we are applying pooling so that we can filter out the more important information. We are doing downsampling up to 3 times, and after that we reach the bottleneck phase. And after bottleneck phase, we started upsampling of the images, in which we are also adding the skip connections. That is, we are concatenating the downsampling layer's results to the upsampling layer so that we can also preserve the what and where information. And after applying upsampling, the same number of times the downsampling, we reach to the final state, that is our output. And so this is the summary of a model, and let's proceed towards the applications of the model.
Applications of hyperspectral image reconstruction from RGB include remote sensing, management of environment and its changes, agricultural developments, any biological imaging devices, also geosciences, etc. With the advancement in technology and also the studies in this field, I hope that the reconstruction of hyperspectral images would become even easier in future. I'd like to thank Bennett University and also Leading India AI for giving us this wonderful opportunity to work under them as interns. Thank you.